Let us know how to draw and color shapes. But first, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's know about the color name. This is grey, dark blue, green, yellow, brown, red, purple, orange, sky blue, pink, light green. Draw the shapes. This is cube. This is cube. It is 3D shape. This is cube. It has 3 dimensions. Length, breadth and height. 3D shape. This is cross. This is a symbol. This is cross. It looks like addition symbol. It is a symbol. This is rhombus. It is also called diamond. This is rhombus. This is smiley. This is smiley. This is smiley. It is a emoji. This is triangle. It is a 2D shape. It has 3 sides. This is rounded corner rectangle. It is rectangle, but its corners are round in shape, so it is called rounded corner rectangle. Now let us color the shapes and symbols. This is purple color. This shape is cube. Ice cube and dice looks like cube. It is 3D shape, 3-dimensional shape. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. It is a cube. It is a 3D shape. This is a red color, and this symbol is cross. This is cross. It looks like addition. It is a cross. This is a symbol. This is a cross. It looks like addition symbol. Light green. This is rhombus. It is a 2D shape. It has 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 corners, 4 angles. It is also called diamond. It is a rhombus. It is a 2D shape. Orange color. This is smiley. This is smiley. It is a emoji. This is a smiley. It is a emoji. This is smiley emoji. Sky blue. This is triangle. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. It is 2D shape. This is a triangle. Tri means 3. Triangle. This color is sky blue. Pink color. This is rounded corner rectangle. This is a rectangle, but its corners are round, so it is called rounded corner rectangle. It is a rounded corner rectangle. Its corners are round in shape, so it is called rounded corner rectangle. Cube, cross, rhombus, smiley emoji, triangle, rounded corner rectangle. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.